Hello, my name is Ryli, and today I will be showing you this GeniusCells Reversible Octopus Puppet Fidget Toys. They are a cyan blue, or a very light cyan, and there are two sides. There is a sad side and, well, a happy side. They are 6.3 inches and they glow in the dark. They also have tiny little features that show off the suctions on a octopus's tentacles. They have it on both sides. I will now be showing you that these can glow in the dark with a beautiful color. This is the GeniusCells Octopus. Well, glowing in the dark. It's on both sides. Isn't that cool? So whenever you're playing in the dark, you can just flip this right over. You could be happy or sad in a moment. This is also how you can communicate without actually speaking. Whenever you're sad, just pop it out and run. Or whenever you're happy, just give this to someone. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you buy this product. Have a nice day or night, depending on where you live, and goodbye.